Did you know that simple things like not spraying out the shower could cause fatal illnesses? I'm here to talk to you today about mold. And actually, a lot of people refer to it as mildew as well, but I'm going to explain the difference between mold and mildew. I'm also going to explain what causes mold and mildew, and name a couple of types of mold. I'm also going to explain why it's a problem and how to prevent it. Now, mold, according to healthhandenergy.com, is a fuzzy growth on moist organic matter by several types of fungi. Mildew, on the other hand, is basically mold growing on fabric. So when they say mildew, it is mold, it's just on fabric. Like this, for example. Now, what causes mold and mildew? For one, moisture. A lot of people don't realize moisture is the biggest problem. Mold reproduces by spores that land on moist materials such as wood, paper, and other objects. Now, some examples of mold would be Cotosporium, penicillin, Alternaria, and Aspergillus. Okay, why is it a problem? Well, for one, it causes illnesses. It weakens the immune system. It increases asthma attacks. It can cause allergic reactions. It can cause chronic lung illnesses. It can cause infections and even irritations. Mold also produces a toxin called mycotoxin, which is obviously not good for you. And according to healthhandenergy.com, over 37 million Americans suffer from afflicting illnesses caused by mold. Now, what can we do to prevent this problem? For one, air filters and ventilation helps reduce it. Also, if you prevent moisture, the way you can do this is keeping the humidity level down between 40 and 60%. You can remove or replace soaked carpets, because fabric does hold mildew, and a soaked carpet is obviously a perfect spot for mildew to build up. You can't even hardly see it. Also, it is suggested by the Cool Allergy and Air Product Company, as well as the CDC, that you use HEPA vacuums for people who have allergies. Now, I'm going to show you an example of what mold looks like. I'm going to show you an example of the type of cleaning materials you can use to clean it up, such as bleach or another products that you can spray right now. Let me put my mask on. I don't want to breathe all this in. Okay, they've already started cleaning in here. But as you can see, the little black spot areas, that's your mold right there. Yeah. Let's see, it's some down here too. They've been cleaning. So it was actually worse than this. It was really black. Okay. Now, here are some cleaning items. Of course, you can spray this daily in your shower. It helps. It's called Tilex. Fresh shower. And then we have some Tilex mold and mildew cleaner. You can also find, I think it's called Super Green or Mr. Green. And use bleach. If you're going to use bleach, do not use more than a cup of bleach to a gallon. A lot of people want to pour tons of bleach into water. It's very toxic to you. It's not going to help at all if you're just pouring lots of bleach in it. Now, we've already discussed that mold is caused by fungi. We discussed that mildew is a type of mold that grows on fabrics. We discussed that 4 types of mold, which by the way are endomolds, are Aspergillus, Condosporium,